So guys, to make these triggers you need something which is light as well as tough, and nothing can be better than popsicle sticks, and they also measure the same thickness with almost all the smartphones. So first take 2 popsicle sticks, divide them in this way. Their measurements being 4 cm and 2.5 cm for the first one and 4 cm and 3 cm for the second one. Now cut these pieces and stick the two 4 cm pieces together and then apply super glue to stick the side ones. Now that they are stuck, let us check their fitting with the smartphone. And I think it fits perfectly well. Now take some foam double-sided tape and stick it to the smaller hand of the trigger. This will help the trigger to stay in place as well as act as a cushion. Now take a foil paper and stick on it a thin double-sided tape. Then cut it out in this shape so that it sticks the trigger perfectly. Now remove the other side of the double-sided tape and stick it to the trigger. But yeah, do not forget to remove the other side of the foam double-sided tape that we stuck on the smaller hand of the trigger. Now sticking the foil paper on the back is not that necessary. Even if you stick till here, it's okay and not an issue. Now our trigger is ready, so let us try it on the phone. So I will put the trigger over here and it will rest on the contacts app. So I will show you that as soon as I touch the foil paper on top, the app opens. So the trigger works perfectly and responses every time. So now let's try it on the Pubg game. So first, when you open the game, go to your settings and change the controls to the third one. Then select customize and relocate the shooting buttons on top where your trigger will go. So now when you place the trigger, its smaller arm will go on the shooting button, and when you touch the top of the trigger, the game will shoot automatically. So let's start a match. So this is a Car 98 war match, and I'm using the trigger for the first time. Hope it goes well. So now I'll put the trigger on the same location where the shooting button is. Wow, it shot once already. So now, as soon as I touch the top of the trigger on that foil paper, the gun will shoot. So 3, 2, 1. Whoa, it shot! That is so cool. I'll just use the scope and again. This works! And it is perfect. And the best advantage of this trigger is that it gives you an extra button. So now you can use both your thumbs for moving and aiming, while you use your index finger for shooting. And not just that, you can even make another trigger for opening the scope. And also you can decorate them and make them more fancy. So guys, go make your own triggers and have fun playing PUBG. This is awesome. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Thanks for watching.